Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce. So this is Rohit, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate Facebook Messenger with Salesforce. Okay, so if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, share, comments, and like this channel. Okay, so let's get started without any further delay. So here you can see I just logged in my org. This is the Service Cloud org. Okay, so once you logged in this org, so you have to go like setup. Under the setup you have to search something like as a messaging. Okay, here you can see the feature settings and all the things, service, messaging and messaging setting. Just click this messaging setting, this one. Okay, so just click this messaging setting. Once you click this messaging setting, so you have to enable this messaging conversation between you and your customers. Okay, so first of all you have to enable this messaging. Once you enable this, so you have to do some like new channel. Okay, so you have to add new channel under this, because I don't have any channel for this right now. So you have to add new channel with the help of this new button. Okay, this new button, so just click new channel and please go ahead and start button, and here you can see three options like SMS, text messaging, WhatsApp. So I will show you these two things in upcoming sessions. So now I'm going to show you right now this Facebook Messenger. So just click this Facebook Messenger and authenticate the Facebook. Okay, once you authenticate this Facebook, so it's asking some like edit setting and all the things. So just I have these all pages, like 5 pages. So just disable all the things and choose this rocks. Okay, just click the next, done, and just okay. Okay, once you do these things, so this is small settings to authenticate your Facebook Messenger. Okay, once you authenticate these things, so after that you can see under this section in this area. Okay, you can see some one processing is going on, or our channel name showing here, like we can say that page name, like this rocks. Okay, just go ahead and click the next, and this is the chat acknowledgement. Leave it as it is. If you do something here you can do, otherwise leave it as it is. Okay, just go next, create a new queue, create, and here you can see give your queue name. So right now I'm giving FB Messenger and name this group FB Messenger, and which user you want to show this messenger, because I am system administrator, so that's why I'm choosing this one, like plus, and click the next. So here you can see like a work item size and agent capacity. So leave it as it is because it's a default setting. Okay, so please go ahead and click the next, and it's taking some time to finish up this channel. Okay, so after that you can see one channel is yeah, you can see you are ready to receive the messaging. Okay, just go ahead and click the done, and after that you can see my rocks messenger and small icons messenger, Facebook Messenger. Okay, so our first job is done. Now it's time to check these things under the Facebook Messenger. So here you can see this is the my page. You can create your page on. Okay, so I already create this page like as a rocks. So you have to create one page, any name as you want. So just click the add button. Under add button you have to search like send message and save it. Okay, so I already added, here you can see edit send message. Okay, once you click these things you can see like as a test button. So just click this test button. So here you can see one window is coming, like is anyone available to chat. Okay, and please go ahead in your org and check service console application, because service console application have some omni channels things. Okay, so search like as a service channel, sorry, service console, and just click the service console. And once you click this service console, so you can see the application as a console application in Salesforce. Okay, you can see, because console application is a tab based. Once you click this tab, you can see a number of records, or we can say that tabs. Okay, so here you can see small icon like omni-channel offline. So you please go ahead and click this omni-channel and offline, and here you can see one is drop down available, busy, on break, and offline. So click this first available messaging. So once you enable this as a online, okay, so just go ahead and send something this messenger, from this messenger. So like hi, I'm sending this message hi. Okay, so once I just send it, so I will get some messaging from here. You can see waiting, inbound, initiated. So you have to accept this request. Okay, just accept this. Once you accept this request, so one tab is opened like chat. Okay, like ms00 something like that. So here you can see chat is started by Rohit Bhadana. This is the time, and this is the my message like hi, and this is default messaging. Okay, once we just configured this messaging service, so it's automatic came here like thank you, thanks for opting and in following us to send your messaging, something like that. If you send some message from here like hello, like that, just send this hello message, and I will got some message from here like hello. Okay, again you want to show something like how are you, something like that. So I will got this message from here, how are you. So you can send this message reply like I'm fine or good, something like that. Just enter, and you can see this message from here. Okay, like I'm fine and good. Yeah, so this is the way to integrate your digital enhancement in Salesforce like Facebook Messenger. So this is the service console application and service cloud application. So you can integrate both of these things each other. So this is the easy way to chat your like any case service console application, if you raise some cases, if agent is online or not. So this is the things in my session. So I hope you like this video, and please share, comments, and subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. And see ya, bye bye, thank you.